Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, a group of boys can do a project in 40 days. If the group had 10 more boys, the work could be done in 5 days less. How many boys are there in the group? So this is another kind of question. It's a very interesting question. So how to approach these kind of problems? We have to find out how many boys are there in the group. So first of all, let x be the number of boys. So it's written the x boys can do the project in 40 days. So x boys will be completing the project in 40 days. And if the group had 10 more boys, that means if the number of boys were x plus 10, then the work could be done in 5 days less. So x plus 10 boys would have taken only 35 days. So here let's use the chocolate approach. So just like any other, we have to take the number of chocolates is equal to the LCM of 40 and 35. X boys are taking 40 days and x plus 10 boys are taking 35 days. So we have to take the LCM of 40 and 35. The LCM of 40 and 35 is 280. The total number of chocolates is 280. So how many chocolates x boys will be having? X boys will be completing the work in 40 days. So they will be having 280 divided by 40 is equal to 7 chocolates per day. And what about x plus 10? X plus 10 boys will be completing the work in 35 days. That means they will be having 280 divided by 35 is equal to 8 chocolates per day. So from this what information we will be getting? X boys are having 7 chocolates per day and x plus 10 boys are having 8 chocolates per day. So from that we will be getting 10 boys are actually having 1 chocolate per day. We are just taking the difference x plus 10 minus x. So 10 boys will be having 1 chocolate per day. So x boys are having 7 chocolates per day. So what is x? That is what we have to find out. So just taking as a ratio, we can get 10 by x is equal to 1 by 7. Therefore x is equal to 70. So there are 70 boys in the. So now example number 2. A certain number of men can complete a job in 30 days. If there were 5 men more, it could be done in 10 days less. How many men were there in the beginning? The same kind of question. So let x be the number of men. So it's given the certain number of men can complete the job in 30 days. So x people can complete the work in 30 days. And if there were 5 men more, so if there were x plus 5 men, they would have done the work in 10 days less. That means x plus y men would have taken only 20 days. So the same approach, we have to find out x. By chocolate approach, we have to take the number of chocolates should be equal to the LCM of 30 and 20. Since x people are taking 30 days to complete the work and x plus 5 people are taking 20 days to complete the work, the total number of chocolates is equal to 60. So x people will be having 60 divided by 30 is equal to 2 chocolates per day. 30 days have been taken to complete the 60 chocolates. So x people will be having 2 chocolates per day and x plus 5 people will be having 3 chocolates per day. 60 divided by 20 is equal to 3. So from that we will be getting 5 men will be having 1 chocolate per day. So taking the difference when we will be getting 5 men will be having 1 chocolate per day and x men are having 2 chocolates per day. So from that we will be getting 5 by x is equal to 1 by 2, just taking as a ratio in order to make it easier. So x is equal to 10 men. So 10 men were there in the beginning. Now example number 3. A group of boys can finish a job in 60 days. If the group had 8 more boys, the job could be finished in 10 days less. How many boys were there in the group? The same kind of approach. Let x be the total number of boys. So a group of boys can finish a job in 60 days. So it means x boys are taking 60 days for completing the work. If the group had 8 more boys, so if the group had x plus 8 boys, they would have finished the work in 10 days less. That is x plus 8 boys are taking only 50 days for completing the work. So what is x? So that's the question. The same kind of approach. If we are taking chocolate approach, we have to take the LCM of 60 and 50. So the total number of chocolates will be equal to 300. The LCM of 60 and 50, we are taking it as 300. The total number of chocolates is equal to 300. So X boys will be having 300 by 60 is equal to 5 chocolates per day. And what about X plus 8 boys? X plus 8 boys will be having 300 divided by 50 is equal to 6 chocolates per day. So from this we will be getting 8 boys are having 1 chocolate per day. And X boys are having 5 chocolates per day. So from that we have to find out X. So 8 by X is equal to 1 by 5. So we will be getting X is equal to 40 boys. Thank you for watching.